I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have an account, so begin by creating a dedicated calendar for this area of your life. You'll set defaults next: time zone, 30-minute event duration, and working hours. Once done, add 3 real events, a meeting, a focus block, and a personal item, and assign clear colors so they stand out. Make sure to add 1 reminder and a description for each. This ensures your calendar is usable immediately, not just an empty app. Now you organize actual workflow. Create recurring events for routines like weekly planning or monthly bills so you don't recreate them. Once done, color code categories: work, family, health, so visual scanning becomes instant. Keep colors to 2 to 4 main hues. Make deliberate time blocks for deep work and mark them busy. Add tasks and reminders for small to-dos. Also link meetings to Google Meet or addresses to save context. These steps turn your calendar into a scheduling engine. Finish by reviewing the upcoming week and adjusting durations and buffers for travel and breaks. Once done, share the appropriate calendar with collaborators and set granular permissions. View only or can modify, so everyone sees what they need. Make sure mobile sync is enabled and notifications match priority. If things go wrong and events fail to appear, toggle account sync and refresh the app. If that doesn't work, remove and re-add the account or turn off offline mode. That fix resolves most sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.